Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to be doing a Worth the Hype on the Fenty Beauty Contour Stick, and I have mine in the shade Amber. And this is what it looks like here. It's this really pretty like nude packaging. This is how much product you guys get. I know to show this first because I know you guys will want to see this. And it is a very cool tone gray. I'm going to get right into this and make this video quick. It is what I have on my cheeks right now. I am very, very fair and I love this contour stick so much. I love it so much I plan on actually I want to try her concealer. Not yet, I want to wait till I use some of mine, but I do plan on trying the concealer. This blends so beautifully. I absolutely love the color of this. If you're super fair and had a hard time ever finding a contour shade, Rihanna did it. I'm so happy I picked this up. I can't stop using it. The other day I did that. I tried contouring my nose, not today, but I tried the other day, but then I'm not sure. Like, it looks weird for me, but I do absolutely love this. It is so smooth and it blends out so nice, and it's like the perfect contour shade if you're super fair. Again, this is in the shade Amber. I think you get a lot of product. It's super blendable. The packaging is adorable. I like how sleek it is. And I like the amount of blendability where it's like not too creamy where it's like buttery and gross, but just enough where it's like a little bit stiff where it will stay where it is, but just blend out to buff out the harsh lines. It's really tricky to explain, but guys, I really recommend this, and I felt that it needed a review, and if you're pale, I really recommend trying this. Totally love this, so really recommend. I definitely think this is worth the hype, and I can't wait to try more from Fenty Beauty. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.